All right, we are circling back on what a suffix is this week. And we've gone over this a lot, and you guys practiced these same 4 suffixes 2 weeks ago, so they should look really familiar to you. All right, a suffix is what we add to the end of the word to change the meaning. And the example I give on this slide is the word jump. When we add an ed, it becomes jumped, which means it happened in the past tense. So it is important for us to know what the root word means in order for it to make sense in a story. Sometimes we get to words that we don't know in a story. And the best way to try to figure it out is to see if there's a root word that you do know and then look at the suffix. Today you're going to do some practice with that. So the first slide is practicing the suffix ed, which we already talked about, happens in the past. And all I'm asking you to do is to take the words, add ed, and now tell me what the new meaning of the word is when we add that past tense to it, okay? There's an example at the top, and you need to make your own example at the bottom. All right, the next one is working on ing. And when we talk about the word ing, it's talking about something happening in the present or right now, all right? These are kind of tricky looking, but once you read the directions, it's very easy. It gives you a sentence with a blank, okay? You have to decide what word ending in ing would fit best in that blank, okay? There is 3 that you need to fill in, and then 1 of the write your own. All right. And then you're gonna take the 2 ideas of what you learned and decide, looking at this, do we add ed or ing? Which one makes the most sense? The bold word right here is what you're going to be adding ed or ing to. So I'm not going to give you the answer, but I think it'll make the most sense when you read them. You're just changing the ending on these bold words to either ed or ing, okay? The other 2 that we've been practicing is ly, and we add ly to say how something is done. So the example I gave here is slow. We add ly, it now is slowly, and that means that it's happening at a very slow pace. You're gonna do that with the words brave, loud, and quiet. The last one you can come up with on your own. This looks very similar to the ed one, okay? And last but not least, you're going to work on the suffix ness, okay? And that is the quality in which something happens. This one's kind of fun. I gave you 4 words with ness at the end, and your job is to use those 4 words in a sentence. So, happiness, you're going to write 1 sentence using the word happiness, okay? That's all for suffixes this week, and we are looking forward to seeing your hard work. So good luck.